So what's up guys, mag-ML nga pala tayo ngayon. At bago pa lang ako guys na. So start video tayo. Wait lang. So lagi kong gagamit dito guys is si Dairat.
I do what I want to do.
May bago pala sila. Yung ko lang kasi ito guys. Dati pa kasi ako naglaro nito guys. So ito na natin guys.
I do what I want to do.
Patay ka sa akin. Patay ka sa akin, Balmond.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Ay, wala pa pala. Tagal. Hindi, ay. Kailangan ko lang muna guys ma-unlock yung focus ko natin. Ay.
Who would recognize someone? I will do anything for the abyss.
Hindi na kayo makakatakas na rin.
You have slain an enemy.
Should have let Fama
Bago
teach
ako
you
dito.
how to fight.
Slain an enemy.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! Who would recognize
Buti na mabilis.
Legendary!
Let me take you to another world. Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Legendary!
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! Yeah! Huh. Yeah! Huh. Huh.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Your life shall be shattered in an instant! Should have let Thalas teach you how to fight. Yeah! Nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
Eh, si Silong, patay ka sa akin. Patay ka sa akin. Aba, pero baka makatakas na naman. Balmond, di ka na makakatakas. Ano yun? Buto naman.
Let me take you to
Tara mga minyas, tapusin natin yung laro. Wait lang. Chill. Buto naman natanggal yung shield.
An ally has been slain.
Aba,
your life shall be
Legendary! Double kill!
ayan. Ayan.
let Thalas teach you how to fight.
Yun, buto naman. Aba.
Your life shall be shattered in an instant.
Request backup!
Aba. Pinagtulungan ako. Aba. Akulit kayo ah. Tatapusin ko na tong game.
Your team destroyed a turret!
sino naman? Patay po sa akin. Ba mo ka nagsasama-sama sila, ha?
An enemy has been slain.
Mag-back mo na tayo. Mag-back para may para na nagmamanas pa naman. Patay ka sa akin.
Your
Ito
team
talaga.
destroyed a turret.
Hindi mo kulit yung dalawa. Ang patay.
Double kill.
Ang rin tumulong sa kanila, ha? Gaganta rin ako. Aba. Aba. Ano yun? Makulit ka rin, ha? Gigigil na ako. Tatapusin ko na yung game. Patay na kayo. Yan, nakasabage pa kayo.
Legendary. Legendary. Double kill. Triple kill. Wiped out.
Subukan mo lang, Mia. Patay ka sa akin.
The abyss.
Anong...
Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Anything. Should have let Carlos teach you how to fight.
An ally has been slain.
Victory! So guys, thank you nga pala sa pagpapanood. Nabubulil ako. So bye. Sana magalit na tayo, guys. Bago pa lang kasi ako, guys, eh. Yay, nagilit na. So, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys.